Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss WordPress plugins. If you go to dashboard of WordPress and go to install themes, you can see the install themes. If you click add new there or from the menu, it will take us to the same place. Like WordPress themes, we have a lot of WordPress plugins as well. What these plugins do, they are a piece of software that plugs into your WordPress site, with a website or a blog or whatever you're using it for. Plugins add an extra or a new functionality or extend the current functionality of your website, allowing you to create virtually any kind of website from e-commerce store to portfolio directory websites or school learning websites, online learning, or repair or a mechanics workshop website or whatever the website you would like. For example, now we are in theme and plugins. Sorry, under plugins, these are the default plugins that come, the featured one. There are popular ones, there are recommended ones, and the favorite ones. If you click recommended, you will see the classic editor, the spam protection, the security, and its jetpack. It is automatic company. The company name is automatic. Buddy press, the rollback failure, all these things. What it does, it extends. For example, this is our website. There is no booking calendar on this website. This is our home page. There is no booking calendar, and you would like to add a booking calendar. We'll go to themes, search under popular ones. There are a lot of functionalities that can be added. Like the most important one, I feel, is the security. If your website is not secure, it's all useless. The second one will be the insights, what your website has, how many times it has been accessed, and these things. We'll go into important WordPress plugins in another video, but for this basic course, we are going to search for a booking calendar or a booking plugin. There are many plugins. Now, there is a catch. What it does, there are few, if you click there under more details, it will show you that it is free or paid or whatever the way you get it. See, supported currencies, these are the supported currencies. So you can even charge for letting somebody else book your calendar. For example, if somebody is booking for a doctor, you charge them while they book. Somebody is booking you as a teacher, you can charge while they book. Same time. There are many, you see, they go by active installs, 30,000 plus, 60,000 plus, 10,000 plus. This one is Bookly is 60,000 plus. I prefer this one since it has the maximum number. Not only that, this is one of the famous ones. So let's install now. Like our themes we did, let's install the plugin after it has been downloaded to your server. Under your installation, it will allow us to create a booking calendar. If you click there on more and see screenshots, it will show you how it looks like. I will not go into the details of how this plugin works. I'm just showing you the extension excuse this plugin is going to bring to your website. Now you go to Bookly. The initial setup is not done, so we'll search add ABC company. Our For example, it's a spa, the company size, and info@abc.com. You can add the staff, ABC, abc@abc.com, and their phone number. Continue. Title, book, duration is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, the shortcut form is this. We are going to copy this, copy and finish. After we have copied, you agree to terms, whatever they bring you. Right now, again, let's refresh. Is there something? No, nothing. We are going to go back, go to pages, add a new page. Here we are going to name whatever the name we give to the calendar, and here we give the shortcode. When you publish and you view the page, you can see the functionality of that plugin comes on your web page. Right now it is not showing on anywhere, so we can go back to customize. We're going to go back to dash menus. Under menus we view all, and we have a book calendar. Add to the menu. We will add it before, under services, or after services. Save. When saving is done, just you can see we have on the menu about, home, about, services, and contact. You refresh, book is coming there, you click there, and that's how easy it is to integrate any plugin in the WordPress website. You can do anything, any plugin you would like. You can go to plugins, add a new, and search whatever the plugin you like. We'll do a plugins video separately, and the important ones will have an individual. For example, under the popular ones, I would prefer to do a separate video for SEO, WooCommerce, this security, and the Google Insights, the site kit by Google. We'll do those separate videos and many more, but in other videos. For this course, I hope you did understand. If I did something really fast, you can slow down the video or watch it again. Thank you for watching.